Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Curly Girly. So in this video I have created the Afreen look. To know how to get this look, please keep on watching, and if you are new here, please like and subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So for primer, I am using the Urban Color Face Primer and taking the dime size amount and applying it on my T-zone area. For foundation, I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude and taking a damp beauty blender to apply it. So for concealer, I am taking the Revlon Color Stick Concealer. My shade is number 4 medium. I'm applying it on my under eye area, a little bit on my forehead, nose and chin, and applying it on my sides of my face. This method is called the reverse contouring, and blending it with the same beauty blender. To give my face more lifted look, I am using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade 122 Sand and applying it on the outer and the inner corner of my under eye area. And taking the same beauty blender to blend the product. To set my base makeup, I am using the Lakme Rose Powder and taking the same beauty blender to apply it. For contouring my face, I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in the shade Dark Coca and applying it on hollows of my cheeks and blending it with the fluffy Kabuki angular brush. Now I'm applying it on my forehead, nose and jawline area and taking the same fluffy angular brush to blend the product. To have more sharp look, I am taking the small fluffy brush to blend the product around my nose. Now I am taking the fluffy powder brush to remove the excess powder and to blend everything nicely. For bronzer, I am taking the Miss Rose Contour and Highlight Palette and taking the brown shade to intensify my contouring. For eyeshadow, I am taking the Faces All-Time Pro eyeshadow palette in the shade Nude and taking the cool tone brown shade and applying it all over my eyes. This will work as a transition and a base for my eyes. Now I'm taking the warm brown shade and applying it on my crease. To intensify my outer corner, I am taking the dark brown shade. For my eyelids, I am taking the cool tone brown shimmer shade and applying it with my finger. I'm doing the same on my other side as well. I'm blending it with the clean eyeshadow brush to give the more soft look. Now I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Life on the Dance Floor Sparklers palette and taking the ocean blue color and applying it on the inner corner of my lower lash line. From the same palette, I am taking the silver shimmer shade and applying it on my inner corner. For eyeliner, I am taking the Maybelline Gel Eyeliner. I have applied some falsies and eyeliner off camera. Now I am applying the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. For eyebrows, I am taking the Color Essence Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown and taking a spoolie to shape it. I am taking the pink shade for my blush from the Faces All Time Pro Face Palette in the shade Glow. For highlighter, I am taking the BB Illuminate palette in the shade number 6 and taking a small highlighter brush to apply it. For lining my lips, I am taking the Mist Clear Glimmer Sticks in the shade Bright Red. I am taking the L18 Matte Range Lipstick in the shade Pink Spice. To complete this look, I am adding a necklace and some bangles. This is the oxidized jewelry. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks, and do follow me on Instagram as well. Link is in the description box, and see you next time.